Me and you that me wobble. Doing this 3D, we not chill. So new settings, new skill. If you get a youth, go and search for your G.
Morning, 345 fam. Rumbeezy here back at again with another vlog. Yeah, this time I really took some time off. Cause look, you know, and I see me about a month or two ago getting back to the vlogs. Cause there are a couple of things I want to do. I was in a saw from the last video. Sprayed over these rims. But today we're gonna be throwing back in the interior and cleaning up this garage and throwing the carpet, box seats, front seats, trim pieces, etc. And I'm gonna pump up that tire because this was flat. I had to put on one of my other rims on the next side last night because I found out what the problem was. It was fuel pump. Yeah, my boy Neil came and linked me and tested out, you know, test the fuses, whatever, check the lines, this, that, and found out it was a bad fuel pump. So yeah, last night went go change it out, and she started right up like that. I had to rip her through USB, but no hood, no bumper, no headlights, I ain't business, but skirt, fly through that, but yeah, I'm gonna go clean her out now, take her to everything and put back whatever I gotta put back. Bees way, you done now. Alright, so just took all of this junk out of the car. All this one inside of here. So inside the strip, and move the car and then put in the carpet. Inside. Alright. Running. That's gonna make her warm up. I'll make her warm up, you know. Alright, carpet in. Time to put in the box seats and the trim pieces that go on the floor right there and come up here. Carpet in, side trims in. Get a little help. And sorting out that side there. Having a little trouble with the EG seat. You see the rear is different. This for everybody that are new to the channel. This is what's inside the BZ. A piece of junk. All the old stuff out of the Civic. And clean this up, you know. So inside look for right now. I gotta vacuum it out. Kinda dirty, but at least she got interior in her now. I have not seen interior in this car for months. Probably from last year or year before. Just took her for a little drive. She went in limp mode because of the speed sensor. and then we had to keep fooling around with the sensors and stuff in it. And then after that we got it out of limp mode, so I'm just going to leave her and I'm not going fast with her. Alright, gonna end the vlog there. I might just leave her for now. I'm gonna clean up the mess they got in the yard. Tomorrow, they're gonna put on the front end. They got a brand new bumper. They're gonna put on the hood. They got roundabout there. Fenders, some block housing headlights. Ones I had on the red car. And probably like the center console and climate control. And then clean it up a little bit. And then get the tires taken off of those rims and put it on these white rims so I can run these. And then we got more stuff to do later on in the week, but I just hold that down. But yeah, be easy way, you're done now, we out.
Just must do it again so he can put it on his YouTube channel.
Hear this from him, man. Huh? Hear this from my room and I say, yeah, he out there. Come. Fuck are you? Pussy claw! I got police.
Oh my God, we gotta get